Hello, folks. Today we are going to start a new series, that is design pattern. The first design pattern that we are going to learn is optional design pattern. You may have heard about it first time, but believe me, I was seeing this pattern everywhere, like every open source code. Like if you heard about the gRPC protocol and you set the configuration for the gRPC client or server, you see the optional design pattern there. In the same way, if you heard about Opentelemetry project, in that project also the configuration are set using design optional design pattern only. So we will learn the same design pattern, and we are taking the same example, a kind of same example, which will help us in understanding the optional design pattern. So let's see means how we are going to implement it. I have coded it already just for you guys, so it doesn't waste much time. So let's start. So this is just a simple code which representing few configuration, like you are initializing a new package, and in this package you can give the different configuration also. So let's suppose the package name is example package, and we can give the version, we can give the description, we can give the dependencies. You can remove means the dependency also. That doesn't means that is not mandatory, I would say, to provide all the parameters. You can provide whatever the parameters you want. So the psychology of optional design pattern is like this means whenever someone create a new package, so there are some default configuration, and you override those default configuration with these methods. So how we are means implementing it, let's see and understand the core concept. So if you see from the start, I will explain. So we have this package struct. Okay, this struct has few fields like name, version is there, description is there, and dependencies also. Okay, so how it is means this is just a struct which is like a, you can the same struct like you have in C++, and this is the type. Actually we can create the types in Go. So you will see this package option is a type which is of means which is like which is of function, and function which is taking a parameter of package type. Package is the struct. Okay, you will see like I will explain one config how we are implementing with version. You will understand all the configs parallelly. So with version, how what we are doing with version, we are just returning a function which is of the same type, function package. If you see function p package, p is the means name of that means parameter that we took here, and what we are doing with version is taking a version parameter, and which is of type string, and we are reassigning the package means whatever the package struct you provide in this function, you will provide this struct. I will show you how we are providing it, and you are overriding the version type. In the same way, we are with version, with description, we are returning a package option type which is like a function, you will see, and we are overriding the values. In the same way with dependency also we are doing the same. Is if you see, let me remove it. Okay, if you see, then you are returning a function only. Okay, now how we are doing it, this is just an interesting concept, and how we are passing the struct in each function, and like and how we are implementing it. So here you will see new package is the function which we are calling here, and in this new package we are passing the name of the package only, and rest of all the things are optionals. So if you see this option, it is a variadic parameter. What variadic parameter means, you can pass one value, you can pass zero value, you can pass two value, three value, nth value. You can pass any number of values. So this is what we call variadic parameter. And here we are initializing the package. Now someone passed the multiple options. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are ranging over those, means just looping through those options, and when we are calling those option, like here we are passing means each function. So you can assume each option contain a function. It can be a with version, with description, with dependency, any function it can contain. And in the new package, and also we are passing the package struct. If you see, this is the package struct, and we have this package struct we are passing in each function. So if there is any parameter that you have passed, here you have passed 1.0.0 with description, with dependency. Let's assume I am also uh, defining some version. Let's suppose I am defining 0.0.1, but this version will be overridden by the this version if I will run it. So let me run it and show you. Let me So if I run it, go run optional.go, then you will see like I am misprinting all the things whatever the present in this package struct. So if I run it, then you will see that example package is there, version is overadded. So let me show you one thing. If I haven't passed this function, let's assume I am not passing any version. So what will be the version in that case? In that case, the version will be the default one, that is 0.0.1. So this is how functional type pattern works. When I read about this functional pattern, the only thing which I didn't understand at the first time is like this type parameter means type that we are generating, and means this is just a type. You can assume it like a means like int string. It is another type of function which is taking a parameter of package. So it is just as simple as that. I hope you guys understood this concept, and in the next video I will go through more patterns and try to explain more patterns in this series. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you understood this concept, and if you didn't understand anything, please comment. I will try to come up with the with the your with your solution, means with your whatever doubt you have. I will come up with a solution of your doubt,